Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Kernel32 dll error in Windows 10. Solution 1. Restart your computer. Solution 2. Run a virus scan. Solution 3. Check Windows Update. Right click Start menu, then click Settings. Click Update and Security. Update Windows. Solution 4. Repair system files. Click Search, then type cmd. Open cmd, run as administrator. Select Yes. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Solution 5. Update your driver. Right click on the Start button, click Device Manager. Click Search automatically for Update Device Software. Click Close. Update all driver. Solution 6. Check your system memory. Right click Start button to select Run. Paste the text. The text will be given in the video description box. Click OK. Click Restart now and check for problems. Thanks for watching.